Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a half double crochet stitch. This is abbreviated as HDC. This is a fairly easy stitch to learn, and if you need to, you can always adjust the playback speed of this video if you need it to be a little bit slower. To begin, yarn over and insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. And that's a half double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, going underneath both loops. Yarn over again and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that's how you make a half double crochet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!